Make sure that you're logged in to Permit Slow. If you are not logged in, you can go over to the Help Center. The Help Center will take you to Permit User Guides and Videos. Click on New Login Registration Process. This will take you to our website. This website page will show you how to log in and register for a Permit Slow account. Make sure to use the same email if you've previously used Permit Slow. Next, you want to click the Apply button. When you click the Apply button, you'll be brought to all of the applications that are available online. There are over 187 of those applications available. What we want you to do is go to the Help Me Choose button here on the right. When you do that, you'll be brought to Decision Engine. And you'll get a note that says, "Do you need help getting started?" Click Yes. After you click Yes, there will be two tiles that are brought up. The first is Building Permit for construction permits, and the second is Land Use for planning applications. For this example, let's click Permit. If I click on Building Permit, I will be brought to another series of tiles. The tiles will continue to populate based on which tile you choose. So in this case, we'll go ahead and apply for a residential single-family home. I notice that there's a residential click here, and then New Residential Structure, Single-Family Dwelling, and there's my options, either a manufactured home or a single-family dwelling. I can click Apply for a manufactured home, and it'll take me right to the application. Now notice I did get an error here, and that's because I'm not logged in. I'll need to come over and log in first, and there's the application I'm brought to. Another way that you can use Decision Engine is, again, go back to Apply, click on the All here. When you do that, all 187 applications will show up. So we click Help Me Choose. In this example, I'm going to go through and show you what it looks like if I do a grading permit. The difference here is that rather than brought to more tiles, you'll actually be brought to specific questions. So here the question is, will your proposed project exceed 50 cubic yards of earthwork? If you say yes, it exceeds that. It'll bring you to another question. Will your proposed project involve less than 5,000 cubic yards of earthwork? If you say yes, then the final question is, will your proposed grading be located on terrain with slopes less than 10%? I'm going to say no, and then it tells you to log in or register online here to apply for a major grading. Major grading requires a separate permit and environmental review. Here you'll click Apply for Major Grading, or if you have more questions, you can just go back to the main menu. If I click Apply for Major Grading, I then have to click the Continue button, and I am brought to the Apply button for Major Grading. Click Apply, and there you can see the applications started. The final one is you can also click Apply here, go back to Help Me Choose, go back to Building Permit, and we'll do Commercial. Now for commercial, I'm going to pick a water storage tank. When I do that, I'm brought right to the Apply button. I don't have to go through any other tiles because it knows exactly which application you need to apply for. That is how Decision Engine works. Please feel free to come back and add any keyword to search for specific permits or use Help Me Choose. Either way, we're sure you're going to find the application you're looking for. If not, just let the county know. If you'd like more information, please go to our website at slocounty.ca.gov. Click on Departments. Then scroll down to Planning and Building. Click Planning and Building, and you'll be brought to our landing page. Scroll down to How to Apply for Permit or Plan on Permit Slow and click. When you click, you'll see that this does say testing right now. However, starting July 28th, this will not be a testing website anymore, and you will be able to come here to find all of the user guides and information that you need in order to create an account on Permit Slow and register for a new account if you don't have one. In addition to choosing the application type, the decision engine tool, also going through the 6 steps that you need to complete in order to provide a completed submittal to the county for your online application. If you have any questions, please let us know. Otherwise, we thank you for your time.